Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn most common phrasal verbs in English. Look back. To reflect on the past. When I look back, I realize how much I've grown. Go by. To pass or elapse. The time went by quickly while we were having fun. Speed by. To pass quickly. The days seem to speed by when you're having fun. Put aside. To save something for later use. Let's put aside some money for emergencies. Set aside. To save for later. I need to set aside some time to study. Wind up. To finish or end. We wound up our discussion after reaching a decision. Hang on. To wait. Hang on a second, I'll be right back. Jump back. To return to a previous point. Let's jump back to the beginning of the story and review the details. Jump ahead. To move forward quickly. Let's jump ahead to the next chapter of the book. Break up. To end. The meeting broke up after 2 hours. Drag on. To continue for a long time. The meeting dragged on for hours without reaching a conclusion. Look out. To be careful or watchful. Look out for traffic when you cross the street. Look around. To examine or explore a place. Let's look around the neighborhood before deciding where to eat. Eat up. To consume completely. Don't forget to eat up all your vegetables. Go over. To review or examine carefully. Let's go over the details of the plan one more time. Pass on. To decline or refuse. I'll have to pass on the invitation. I have other plans. Make up for. To compensate for. I'll make up for being late by working extra hours. Speed up. To increase speed. We need to speed up if we want to finish on time. Speed through. To do something quickly. I had to speed through my presentation because of the time limit. Break down. To stop functioning. My car broke down on the way to work this morning. Run out of. To exhaust or deplete. I ran out of time to finish my homework. Get ahead. To make progress. By working hard, I managed to get ahead in my career. Show up. To arrive or appear. I was worried you wouldn't show up for the party. Catch up. To learn or discuss the latest news. Let's meet for coffee so we can catch up on all the gossip. Put off. To delay. I had to put off our meeting until next week. Set back. To delay or hinder progress. The bad weather set back our vacation plans. Look ahead. To anticipate or plan for the future. It's important to look ahead and prepare for upcoming challenges. Run behind. To be delayed. The train is running behind schedule. Hold up. To delay or hinder. Traffic held us up, so we arrived late. Pick up. To improve or recover. I'm feeling sick, but I hope to pick up by tomorrow. Carry out. To complete or fulfill. We will carry out the plan as discussed in the meeting. Take time out. To take a break. Let's take time out and grab a coffee. Fall into. To begin to do something habitually. After work, I usually fall into watching TV for a couple of hours. Press on. To continue with determination. Despite the challenges, we must press on and finish the project.